Here at the Trafford and Stockport Group, we've put massive investment into electrical. We've recently invested in some new facilities. Our new workshop allows students to stay at the cutting edge and work with all the latest in new technology for domestic and commercial purposes. In preparation for the new workshop, we spoke to some of our big contractors, Vinci, Galliford Try, and we were advised on the technology that's coming in and the skills for the future the learners would need, from electric car charging ports, battery storage and solar power. All our staff are highly qualified industry professionals, so all our students now get a great experience and get to cover all domestic and commercial needs and keep them in line with industry. Our electrical offer now includes adults 16 to 18, full-time learning and apprenticeships. So, if you're interested in electrical as a career, this is the place to come. State-of-the-art workshops, highly qualified teachers and a great place to be.